how to change the wallpaper in your Android phone. So you need to be on your home screen, and wherever you see the vacant space, just press and hold it for a second, 2 to 3 seconds. You will find wallpaper, themes, widgets and settings. So we will select wallpaper, and from here you can select change wallpapers, and whatever you feel like, whatever you think it is good. You can also create with AI if you're using Samsung. And once you're done with the color, you can select next, choose where to apply. So if you do not want on lock screen, you can select uncheck that. I will keep it. I'll click on next, and you can see it is done. So if I'll go back and see, the wallpaper will be changed. Just give me a moment. I'll select again, I'll select next, and I'll click on done right here at the top. The moment I do it, I see the wallpaper has been changed. So subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.